Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is the second video about high wind, slalom, windsurfing. If you have missed it, part number 1 linked over there and also in the description. So if you want to have the scene where we started off, well, have a look. First 4 sessions and first 4 hours of sailing on this kit. Now this video is about session number 5 and also a different location. It's Eccleston Street, flat water, same sort of wind, but nicer in terms of water, so enjoy. Just a few thoughts at the end. First of all, this kit is very fast, so fast and accelerating that much that I was really distracted. So gybing, oh my god. Second thing, trim, very important, very much likely not good. I'm convinced this could be better. Third thought is the size of the fin. Even though I had spinouts, that was due to wrong technique. It was not due to fin too small. The fin was too large. You could see that while I was tail walking. Last but not least, number 4. Make no mistake, there was a lot of wind. Just a few hints at the end. Thanks for watching. See ya!